Let's make most amazing super soft and easy donuts.
Really?
Flour 2 cups. Powder milk 1/4 cup. Ghee 2 tablespoon. Yeast 1.5 teaspoon. Sugar 2 tablespoon. Water and milk 1/4 cup. 1 egg. Mix all ingredients and make a soft dough. Add warm water and milk in it. Knead it well. Cover it and keep it aside for half an hour. Punch down the dough and make balls. Press lightly with your palm. Make small hole with a bottle cap. Rest it for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they will be double in size.
Wow!
Now fry them on a low flame from both sides. Fry till they are golden brown. Delicious donuts are ready. Like, subscribe, share.
Yummy!
Link in description for chocolate syrup recipe.